How to add someone to Google Ads account. It's really easy and simple, guys. But first things first, what you need to do is you need to log in to your Google Ads account. And then you want to head over and click on the admin icon right here. You'll see the settings cog. Click on this. And then you want to go ahead and open up the access and security tab. Okay, right here, you will see this plus icon under users. Just click on this blue plus button and you will be prompted on this page. They'll ask you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite, and if you don't have an you know Google Ads account, then they'll have to create an account first, and then you can change the access to either never expired or other expiry dates as well. And then you can give them an access level. So either email only, where they only view reports, and then they only view billing information. There's read only, the standard, where they get access to everything except editing users, managers, and product links. And then you can also add an admin level where they get access to every single thing. Once you have chosen what level access level you want to give them, come here and click on send invitation. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.